Compress na na, compress everyone yung single ka. Okay, fellow teachers, the cast that will replace the original cast of The Greatest Showman. Congratulations, Kepler. Alright, I will not be speaking for my colleagues, but personally, I am lost for words. I didn't expect that I would be saying something like this, considering the time that you prepared for this one. May I know how long? Less weeks, no? More 2 weeks. 1 to 2 weeks. And then this kind of result, an achievement, a masterpiece. Alright? This is really a greatest Kepler show. Okay? So congratulations everyone. Congratulations advisor. And of course the people, everybody. I just hope that everyone extended a hand in the preparation in the execution of this one. Once again, congratulations Kepler, all cast. Congratulations. You know what I mean? Alright?